Hi everyone, Chinese New Year is approaching. Some of you may celebrate by preparing Chinese New Year food, or currently you are busy shopping for looking for your new clothes, shoes or bag. Last but not least, spring cleaning. Yes, I know that spring cleaning sometimes can be exhausting at times. But do you know that during this period of time is a good time to do decluttering, cleaning our house, and bring the positive energy into your house. I have prepared some of the auspicious spring cleaning dates for you. Alright, here you go. 24th January 2024, Wednesday is a good time for spring cleaning, but this date is not benefit people who are born in snake year. If you're born in snake year, you may consider using 27 January 2024, Saturday, to do your spring cleaning. But this date is not benefit for the people who are born in monkey year. If you're not able to use the earlier on for the 2 dates given, you may consider using 31st January 2024, Wednesday. But this date is not benefit for the people who are born in red year. And the last auspicious day for spring cleaning is on 6th February 2024, Tuesday. But this date is not benefit for the people who are born in horse year. I hope you like my sharing for this video, and feel free to forward this video for someone that to benefit as well. Should you need a consultation about your career, business, health or relationship, or even your house feng shui assessment, feel free to contact me via TikTok, Facebook or YouTube.